Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today we are going to show you how to make tandoori chicken on a Weber grill. Oh yeah. Alright, tandoori chicken is one of my favorite all-time recipes. For a list of the marinade ingredients, please look in the description down below. It's going to have amazing flavor, and this recipe is not going to make your chicken turn red because I don't see the need in having to add food coloring just for the sake of color. So it's going to be a nice char yellow. It's beautiful. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our yogurt. We're going to put that in our bowl. That's right, folks. Yogurt is not just for breakfast anymore. Got some lemon juice here. We're going to mix that in with the yogurt. Now I'd like to take just a few ingredients at a time and put them together just to make sure I get a good mix. Here we've got some vegetable oil. I'm going to give that a nice little mix. And then we've got some garlic and ginger. Oh yeah. Natural flavors that you're going to see in most Asian cuisine. We're going to mix that all together. Now once we've put all of these items together in our bowl, here's our dry ingredients. Make sure to look in the description below for a complete listing. Once we get this all together, we're going to put this in with our chicken and we're going to marinate the chicken for at least 12 to 24 hours if possible. You could get away with about 3 to 4 hours, but I'm telling you the flavor is just not going to be the same. Let it sit in that fridge for a good 24 hours and you are going to be one happy camper. All right, take a nice Ziploc. We're going to pour all of our marinade into our bag. We don't want to leave any of this out, so open your bag up. If you've got a friend, let them help you out. If not, just do what I'm doing here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to want to get all the air out of this. So we're going to close this 75% of the way. Squeeze it down like so. And just leave some of that sauce out of the way and then close it up. Now we're going to mix this all together to make sure it covers every single piece of that chicken. And we're going to toss it in the fridge for 24 hours. It's grill season, folks. It's my favorite time of the year. I love it, love it, love it. And this is my new Weber grill. I have never used a Weber grill in my entire life, and I'm so excited because we are going to use this today with you. Now we're going to throw a couple pieces of hickory on our nicely heated coals, and then we're going to place our chicken on the opposite side of the grill for some indirect smoke flavor. Now, I didn't have enough chicken to cover the entire grill, and I don't see any purpose in getting a grill ready if I'm not going to fill it up. So I got some barbecue chicken that I've prepared to marinate and put alongside with this tandoori. Hope you guys don't mind. It'll be that red chicken that you see on the grill. If you're just focused in on having the flavors of the tandoori, just focus on the tandoori. If you would like the recipe that I use for my dry rub for my chicken and the recipe for the wonderful barbecue chicken that I have here, just leave a comment down in the message below and I'll make sure that if we have enough people who are interested, that I'll make a video just for you guys. Now we've got our chicken on, we're going to cover it up and we're going to leave it on there for 20 minutes. See you in 20. As you can see, 20 minutes have gone by. We've got that nice smoky char coming on. And oh yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get updates on future videos. It's going to be a barbecue bonanza, my friends. Make sure you stay tuned. Now we like to flip our chicken completely to a 180 for each time that I flip so I can get even cooking. And then we're going to take some of that leftover marinade that we have and we're going to coat generously each one of these drumsticks. I love barbecue. Every year, this is my favorite time. You get to be outside, smell the fresh air, you get to smell the good food. It's just an all-around great place. Now, 10 minutes have gone by, and we're going to come back and flip our chicken again. Oh, these are looking so good. The neighbors are complaining because the smell is just amazing. They want to get a little bite. But no, no, no. This is for the Uncle Bill's Kitchen family. All for you. All right, now we've done another 180. We're going to take and we're going to coat our tandoori again. Don't be shy. There's plenty of sauce to fit on this chicken, and you want it layered thick. Oh, the smell. The smell, my friends. Oh, it's so good. Now, if you don't have a grill and you'd like to just cook this in your oven, it is also something that you can do. Just heat your oven to 370 degrees and then do the same process. You're going to go 20 and then you're going to go 10 minutes after that for a couple of times. But if you want the real amazing flavor, you got to grill it. You got to grill it, fam. Look at this. My barbecue chicken legs over here looking great. That tandoori is just, oh, so good. 10 minutes have gone by. Look at how that one, can't get this, this new Weber grill, boy. All right, 180 degrees again. We're going to be flipping the chicken. Flipping the chicken, flipping the chicken. It's looking good. See, we got a little char starting to happen. The skin is nice and tight against the chicken meat. Oh, this is my favorite. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Now, one last time, we're going to go ahead and baste with the leftover marinade. This should be our last time. We're going to want to try to get our temperatures up to around 170 degrees Fahrenheit inside. They say 165 is fine, but I'm old school. I like to know that my chicken is cooked all the way to the bone. And I want to make sure I don't want to give anybody any salmonella. Now here's a little barbecue sauce that I make up with a mixture of some baby rays, some open pit, some Worcestershire, and a little secret ingredient of my own. You want to put this on at the end for the barbecue chicken, unlike the tandoori chicken, which we're marinating throughout. Look at that, folks. Look. Look. Beautiful. All right, 10 more minutes have gone by. Oh, let's check the temps. 168, 172, 173, 170. Perfect. Guys, now, if you want, I like to have some grill marks on my chicken, so I flip it over to the hot side of the grill, and I'm just going to leave them on there for a couple seconds to get those marks. It's going to give a little added charred flavor and the look that just says Indian tandoori chicken. If any of you have been to an Indian restaurant, you know what I'm talking about. Now again, remember, you're not seeing that dark red color. I did not use the food coloring, and I don't recommend you do. But what I do recommend you do is hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon. Now, as we finish plating up our chicken, I want you to think about some different sides that you can get. I love to eat this chicken with garlic naan, which is a bread that you can get from any Indian store, and then just dip it so gently with this wonderful chicken. Pull piece by piece and place it into that bread and slowly enter it into your mouth. It's delicious. It's juicy. It's flavorful. Look at that. Oh my God. Do I have to share this? Can I just eat it all by myself? Oh, this is so good. You can do this too. See how easy it is? Just a little time on the grill. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please be sure to like and subscribe. It costs you nothing but helps our channel out a lot. And if you'd like to be notified of when new episodes come out, make sure to hit that little bell icon as well. It's going to give you a little update and let you know every week when a new video is available. Thanks for watching this far, and come again.